They say that being a ship's godmother comes with responsibilities. So let's rise to the occasion. Baking fresh bread before the sun comes up? Just part of the charm. It's loading day. Gotta make sure we have the ingredients for farm to table. Tonight's special, my personal touch. Mwah! Mocktails? Cocktails? Your choice. Navigating through the river. Piece of cake. Housekeeping? I like things tidy. Entertainment? Let's see what I can do. But if you think that I'll be doing all this during your cruise, I've got good news for you. We're going to leave that to the professionals.